There's something deeply comforting about a piece of jewelry that stands the test of time. The Birthstone necklace has done just that. It's elegant, personal, and always in style, making it a go-to gift for loved ones or a meaningful treat for yourself. And if you're searching for quality jewelry near me, or exploring the best jewelry stores in Arcadia, understanding the magic behind this timeless accessory might just inspire your next purchase. A personalized statement piece. Birthstone necklaces are the ultimate fusion of beauty and meaning. Each month is represented by a unique gemstone, believed to carry certain qualities or strengths. January's garnet is associated with protection, April's diamond symbolizes strength, and September's sapphire is linked to wisdom. When you wear a birthstone necklace, you're not just accessorizing, you're telling a story. Whether it's your birthstone or that of a child, partner, or parent, it adds a personal touch that other jewelry pieces can't quite match. That's why when people visit jewelry stores or search for the nearest jewelry to them, birthstone pieces often top their wish lists. An evergreen gift. Ideas struggling to find the perfect gift? Birthstone necklaces take the guesswork out of gift giving. They're thoughtful without being over the top and sentimental without being sappy. And because they're customizable, they feel uniquely tailored to the recipient. Whether you're shopping at a boutique offering fine jewelry in Arcadia or browsing online, a birthstone necklace is a go-to gift for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, or even as a push present. No matter the occasion, it's a crowd pleaser that delivers lasting impact. Versatility in every setting. Another reason birthstone necklaces remain popular? They're incredibly versatile. A dainty gemstone on a delicate chain works beautifully with everything from office attire to evening wear. For those who want to layer necklaces, a birthstone pendant adds a meaningful anchor to a stylish mix. From classic solitaire settings to modern bar pendants featuring multiple birthstones, there's something for every style and taste. The best part? If the chain breaks or you want to reset a stone, there are plenty of options for Arcadia Jewelry Repair or Jewelry Repair Around Me to bring it back to life. A touch of sentiment in a fast-paced world. Many of us are yearning for things that feel real and rooted in emotion. Birthstone necklaces offer that connection. They can represent milestones, honor relationships, and act as daily reminders of people we hold dear. Unlike trend-driven pieces that lose their charm after a season, birthstone necklaces age well. They're the kind of jewelry that moms pass down to daughters, and daughters wear proudly for years to come. Quality and craftsmanship matter. Of course, not all birthstone necklaces are created equal. If you're in the market for one, quality is key. That's why so many people looking for jewelry near me or the nearest jewelry shop trust their search to local experts who understand the craftsmanship behind a truly stunning piece. In particular, if you're based in Southern California, you're in luck. There are several standout jewelry stores in Arcadia that offer expertly crafted pieces made with authentic gemstones and high-grade metals. They also often provide access to skilled artisans through Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop services, so you can keep your necklace in top shape for years to come. Cultural and historical roots. Birthstones aren't just pretty gems. They have a rich history that dates back to ancient times. Many believe the concept originates from the breastplate of Aaron, described in the Book of Exodus, which featured 12 stones representing the tribes of Israel. Over time, various cultures adopted their interpretations of birthstones, linking them to zodiac signs, planetary alignments, and healing properties. Today, while many wear them simply for their beauty, others still find comfort in their deeper meanings. A timeless heirloom. Because of their emotional and symbolic value, birthstone necklaces often become cherished heirlooms. They mark significant life events like the birth of a child or the memory of a loved one, and are passed from generation to generation. This is where quality and care come full circle. Regular maintenance from a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair professional can keep these sentimental pieces shining brightly for years. And if you're unsure where to go for adjustments or cleanings, a quick search for Jewelry Repair Around Me can point you toward reputable services nearby. Why choose Dorano Jewelry? If you're looking to find or gift a birthstone necklace that truly stands out, Dorano Jewelry is your one-stop destination. Located in the heart of Arcadia, our family-owned business has built a solid reputation for craftsmanship, service, and integrity. Whether you're hunting for the perfect piece at one of the top-rated jewelry stores in Arcadia, in need of expert Arcadia jewelry repair, or just want to browse a beautiful collection of fine jewelry, Dorano delivers. Our experienced team helps clients find timeless, personalized pieces that blend tradition with modern style. From custom birthstone necklaces to expert repairs at their Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop, Dorano Jewelry goes above and beyond to ensure every customer leaves satisfied.